Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Groww and choosing Sign Up or Login. Use your PAN and mobile. Next, complete KYC, either Aadhaar OTP or Quick Video KYC, because verification unlocks trading. Have your bank account details ready, link via UPI or net banking, and set a UPI PIN. Once done, make a small test transfer to verify. This is the first actionable step. It moves you from setup into actual investing and prevents later payment failures. You search the company by name or ticker, then review key metrics like price, market cap, and P/E to decide if it fits your plan. Next, tap Buy and enter either quantity or amount. Choose Market for immediate execution or Limit to set a specific price. Make sure you pick the correct product type, intraday, CNC for delivery, or margin, because that affects holding and charges. Once set, review brokerage and taxes, then place the order to execute your trade. You confirm completion by checking the Orders tab, look for executed, pending, or rejected status and note execution price. Once executed and for delivery trades, verify shares appear in holdings and match your contract note. Monitor for settlement, T+2 for equities, and ensure funds and DP reflect correctly. If something goes wrong, first verify KYC and bank linkage, then check funds and order type. If still unresolved, contact Groww support with your order ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.